We have a client with 30,000 email subscribers ready to buy their products. This is their content, but nobody wants to read it. They have a kick-ass webinar lined up with a meditation expert, but they need killer content marketing to promote the webinar. Today I'll show you how this client is going to create content that everybody wants to read.
Fat metrics.
Here's the checklist that I'm using with my client. Number 1, is it trending? I'm going to use the Shopify app, Fatmetrics. It tells you all the trending scores, but if you don't have Fatmetrics installed, then simply head over to Google Trends. Number 2, what's trending about the topic? So if you go into Fatmetrics and you put in a keyword, you'll see a list. And this list is all the different keywords and their trending score. But if you're using Google Trends, you'll probably find that the topic that you're researching isn't doing so well. Simply scroll down to the bottom, look at related topics and related queries, and you'll see a whole list of what's breaking out and what's trending about the topic. Number 3, is it original? For example, original data that nobody has but can be featured on other websites, such as survey results. What 3,000 practitioners really think about meditation. Number 4, is it evergreen or just a fad? This will influence how long content will remain relevant in organic search. However, evergreen content is often competitive to rank for in search results and far less viral. Number 5, is it viral? Search public data such as Facebook ad library to research a topic. Using meditation as an example, we can see a whole list of different posts that are posted on Facebook, and we can see how popular they are, such as how many likes and how many shares. This is by far the most viral post about meditation on Facebook. Number 6, traffic potential. Conduct full keyword research to determine long-tail keywords that are easy to rank for and produce the most monthly traffic. You can use Fatmetrics, or you can use other tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. This must include backlink research and further outreach in order to get those backlinks. For high difficulty keywords and phrases, outreach to be featured on other websites in return for backlinks may prove to be more beneficial. This enables you to piggyback off their existing audience, while also producing more backlinks to make future and existing rankings easier to obtain and improve upon. Number 7, can we repurpose it? Are we able to create many pieces of content from a single piece of content? For example, a YouTube video becomes a podcast, an image quote, checklist, written article. Number 8, can we improve existing content? We don't always have to create new content. There might already be existing content on the website that can be updated for 2021 or improved upon to enhance search results. Number 9, can we upgrade it to a lead gen? All of our free content should have the ability to have some form of free content upgrade in exchange for a visitor's email address. Content upgrades don't need to be overly complex or time consuming to produce. Maybe checklists, pre-made Google Sheets, etc. that all perform equally as well, if not better, than ebooks and video courses. Number 10, how does the content play its part in the sales funnel? Awareness, decision making, purchase, post-purchase, return loop. For example, awareness, 10 free key facts about meditation. Decision making, meditation video course comparison and reviews. Purchase, why you need Private Practice Hub's new meditation safety course. Post-purchase, 7 reasons to upgrade and get our meditation safety certificate. Return loop, announcing Private Practice Hub's free South American meditation safety webinar. Safety webinar? I love it. Can we use the Wikipedia trick? There's a video link, bing, right there. This video covers this technique to make backlinks and a Wikipedia link without creating any original content. Something missing from this list? Leave a comment and I'll add it. Now I'm giving away a $500 one-to-one consultation with me to someone who subscribes within the next 7 days. Tell your friends, your uncle, your granny, your grandpa, anyone, that if they subscribe they can win a one-to-one consultation with me, some weirdo on the internet.